Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the only supported route, target display mode. Check the iMac model year and ports. Only 2009-2014 iMacs with mini display port or Thunderbolt work. Once done, choose a direct Thunderbolt or mini display port cable. Adapters usually break this path. Make sure both machines are awake and signed in, and disable screensavers. That gets you ready to physically connect. The why is simple. Target display mode uses iMac hardware as a raw external monitor, not network sharing. You now connect the cable directly, no hubs, no docks. Plug the Thunderbolt or mini display port cable into your MacBook and the other end into the iMac's port. If your MacBook is USB-C only, use a direct Thunderbolt 3 to Thunderbolt 2 adapter from Apple. Do not chain random dongles. Once physically linked, press Command F2 on the iMac keyboard to trigger target display mode. If you hold it briefly, you'll toggle the iMac into acting purely as a monitor for the MacBook. You finish by confirming the iMac shows your MacBook desktop. Press Command F2 again to exit when finished. Then, on your MacBook open displays preferences to set scaling or arrange displays. This ensures sharp text and proper cursor movement. If the display doesn't appear, make sure the iMac is logged in, try a different Apple-certified cable, and reboot both machines. One key troubleshooting tip. Third-party adapters often fail. Use Apple's Thunderbolt adapter when bridging.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.